Me, I drink pine and ginger. And want me for wine, but nothing I'm gonna play that. And I drink pine and ginger. And want me for wine, but.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. I hope you're doing well. Today in this video, I would love to show you how I like to style my box braids. Now I have had these in for a month, but they're still holding up and I just wanted to make a nice quick video for you guys. Since I have had them in for a while though, I had to redo the front too. And well, as you can tell, it's been a while since I've braided. And they're not really looking the best, so you can tell the difference between the ones I did and the ones my mom did. But you know, who cares? It's okay. Anyway, let's get right into the video and I hope you enjoy. Now for this first look, it's going to be very simple, something that, you know, is easy to do, quick on the go, and that's just, of course, a simple ponytail. A nice low ponytail, because I don't really like to pull my braids too much, so I just push my braids back, you know, loosely to the back though, not too much. And I just use this headband here to tie them up because, of course, regular scrunchies will not be able to hold these nice thick braids, so a headband, of course, is best. And I really love this one because of the pattern. I had originally bought it from Zara, and it was a little bit too small for my head per se. Just in general, I have a big head, but at least I'm able to use it for my braids. And as you can tell, the style is very nice, very simple, but you know, of course, still very stylish. Now for this next look, it's one of my favorite looks to do, and it's just a nice way to also keep hair out of my face without actually having to put all my hair up, and that's the half up, half down. I love doing this hairstyle. I think it's just so cute and playful, and it's just a great way to be able to do a cute style without having to commit to trying to stuff all your braids into one hair tie, because we all know that is a struggle and a half, and I just enjoy doing it because I just find it so cute. As you can see, this hairstyle is just so cute and playful. I just think it looks great on any hairstyle, on anyone. I mean, whether your hair is straight, curly, in braids, jumbo braids, dreadlocks, I just think it's one hairstyle that everyone can rock at any time. So at this point, I had realized I had not put my phone on flight mode, so I kept getting text messages and it was just messing up with my recording. I kept getting distracted, but luckily I got that fixed and we can get back to the hair. Now this is just a continuation from the half up, half down, and that is just putting a bun at the top of the head. And I like to just twist my hair like so, and then just wrap it around into a nice neat bun, as neat as I can possibly get it. And then I like to add a hair tie to just hold it into place. Usually I use just one or two, not too many because I don't want it to be too tight. And if I have any, I would like to use bobby pins just to hold the ends of the hairs in place. I try not to put it in between the braids because I don't want it to mess up the braid pattern. But if you do have a chance, you know, to be able to use the bobby pins freely, please do so because it's so great when that thing is secure. But yeah, I just like to do this. I don't do it as often, but I do think it's still a cute hairstyle that, you know, you can rock on a nice day, because today was a beautiful sunny day and I just thought, yes, I am going to do some goddess look today. Now, as you can tell, I was probably feeling myself today. The sun was shining. I was feeling good. You know, it was just a good day overall. Now, with this hairstyle, it's very simple. It's just taking these two braids and then tying them to the back. You know, when it has like that like innocent milkmaid kind of look. I just think it's a great hairstyle to do when you just need to quickly get your hair out of your face in the middle of doing something, just so it doesn't distract you. I did this a lot at uni when I was, say, pulling somewhat of an all-nighter at the library, and it just felt like my braids were just getting in my face while I was trying to type. It got really annoying, so I would just, grab the two front pieces, tie it to the back, and it's just a great way to pull your hair out of your face without having to do a big extravagant hairstyle. Now the sun was shining today. Oh my goodness, it was so hot in the apartment. Like I was sweating, but we all have good sunshine. Now, last but definitely not least, we're doing my absolute favorite hairstyle that I've been rocking this past weekend. Like I literally have been doing it every single day. I just love the look of it. I just feel so at peace. For some reason, just gives me like this nice like hippie little vibe. I was like, yes. It's kind of inspired by, the half up, half down bun. And I'm basically going to be doing the same thing, but instead with a scarf instead. And I just push all my hair back and of course take this scarf, any scarf that you have, just tie it around once and then you twist it like so in the front and then wrap it around like it's a bun itself. And I just love wearing this hairstyle. Literally this weekend I got so many compliments on it and it was my first time actually doing it, so I guess that's probably why I'm practically addicted to it. But I just most definitely suggest that you try it out yourself. Had to redo it because the twist did not look right at all. I think I twisted it a little bit too tight at first. I like to make my twist a little bit loose when it comes to my scarves, just the way it looks a little bit more fuller and, a little bit carefree, like I didn't try, even though I probably would have redone it like 10 times over. But, why not? I mean, I want it to look good. Clearly, as you can see from the smile on my face, or should I say huge grin, this is absolutely my favorite hairstyle. I just think it's absolutely beautiful. I've been looking for ways to incorporate more scarf hairstyles when I do have braids, and this is just, oh my gosh, I love it so much. I just feel so beautiful, so elegant, but at the same time very natural. Like if I'm just running out the door, I can quickly do this without having to style my braids, and I just think it's the perfect go-to look. I am here for it. I hope you are too. And that is it for my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you try out the hairstyles yourselves. If you do, tag me on Instagram if you take a picture. That'd be great. Also, comment down below. I'd love to hear from you guys. And please like this video. I'd very much appreciate it. And don't forget to share with your friends and family. Please subscribe and hit that notification bell so that way you don't miss the next video. I hope you're doing well. See you next time. Bye.